When did Viswanathan Anand become India's first Grandmaster? A. 1987. Born in 1988. Circa 1985. D. 1986. The correct answer is A. 1987. Which organization is focused on security-related concerns such as resolving border issues and countering terrorism? A. SCO. B. BRICS. C. BIMSTEC. D. SAARC. The correct answer is A. SCO. What concept aims to create a society where people of different religious beliefs or no religion can live together peacefully? A. Imperialism. B. Communism. C. Nationalism. D. Secularism. The correct answer is D. Secularism. What specific type of king is described in the quote? A. A weak king. B. A cruel king. C. A great king. D. A foreign king. The correct answer is C. A great king. Until what age are children guaranteed free and compulsory education according to Article 45 of the Indian Constitution? A. 18 years. B. 12 years. C. 16 years. D. 14 years. The correct answer is D. 14 years. Which age group has the highest chance of death by accident? A. 0 to 4. B. 15 to 29. C. 30 to 44. D. 5 to 14. The correct answer is B. 15 to 29. Which body is not listed as running something in the provided text? A. A committee. B. The Supreme Court. C. The President. D. The Election Commission. The correct answer is D. The Election Commission. To which body can the Governor nominate one member from the Anglo-Indian community? A. The High Court. B. The State Public Service Commission. C. The State Legislative Assembly. D. The State Legislative Council. The correct answer is C. The State Legislative Assembly. Which entity is responsible for the radio broadcast of the Government of India? A. BBC. B. All India Radio. C. CNN. D. Voice of America. The correct answer is B. All India Radio. What helps media to reach more people? A. Increased advertising. B. Changing technology. C. Government funding. D. Public demand. The correct answer is B. Changing technology. Through which method can a foreigner acquire Indian citizenship? A. All of the above. B. Descent. C. Naturalization. D. Registration. The correct answer is A. All of the above. Members of the Legislative Assembly, MLAs, are elected by whom? A. The Chief Minister. B. The Governor. C. The people. D. The President. The correct answer is C. The people. What is the second leading cause of death by road accidents? A. Speeding. B. Car boom in India. C. Less use of helmets and seat belts. D. Inefficient law enforcement. The correct answer is A. Speeding. Which countries are mentioned as examples of federal states with dual citizenship? A. Germany and France. B. USA and Switzerland. C. Brazil and Argentina. D. Canada and Australia. The correct answer is B. USA and Switzerland. In ancient times, how was dance considered? A. A method of communication. B. A form of warfare training. C. A practical skill for hunting. D. A way to celebrate, worship, and give thanks. The correct answer is D. A way to celebrate, worship, and give thanks. Which ideal significantly influenced the constitution makers after India's independence? A. Economic liberalization. B. Grama Swaraj, village republic. C. Urbanization. D. Industrial development. The correct answer is B. Grama Swaraj, village republic. What phrase is used to describe Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's role in creating the Indian Constitution? A. Lead legislator. B. Principal draftsman. C. Head compiler. D. Chief architect. The correct answer is D. Chief architect. What does the text ask about regarding certain organisms being adopted as national symbols? A. Why they are adopted. B. Their geographical distribution. C. Their biological classification. D. Their economic importance. The correct answer is A. Why they are adopted. What are village panchayats, panchayat unions, and district panchayats together known as? A. State bodies. B. Urban local bodies. C. Rural local bodies. D. Local bodies. The correct answer is D. Local bodies. What type of boards are variable message signs? A. LCD boards. B. Plasma screens. C. Projector screens. D. LED boards. The correct answer is D. LED boards. What is the supreme law of the land in a federal system? A. Regional legislation. B. Presidential decree. C. Constitution. D. International treaty. The correct answer is C. Constitution. What action by a citizen by birth during war could lead to citizenship cancellation? A. Refusing to serve in the military. B. Trading with an enemy country. C. Moving to a neutral country. D. Speaking out against the government. The correct answer is B. Trading with an enemy country. Which of the following is India a founding member of? A. SAARC. B. United Nations Organization, UNO. C. G20. D. Commonwealth. The correct answer is B. United Nations Organization, UNO. How many organs constitute the central government? A. 5. B. 3. C. 2. D. 4. The correct answer is B. 3. What historical system of rule was mentioned as how kings and emperors ruled? A. Democracy. B. Republic. C. Communism. D. Monarchy. The correct answer is D. Monarchy. What is the primary focus of the New Development Bank, NDB? A. Providing humanitarian aid. B. Funding social welfare programs. C. Supporting small businesses. D. Lending for infrastructure projects. The correct answer is D. Lending for infrastructure projects. In which year was the Constituent Assembly formed? A. 1948. Born in 1946. Circa 1949. D. 1947. The correct answer is born in 1946. Which article is associated with equality before law? A. Article 16. B. Article 15. C. Article 14. D. Article 17. The correct answer is C. Article 14. Which armed forces perform the beating retreat ceremony? A. Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. B. Indian Army and Navy. C. Indian Army and Air Force. D. Indian Navy and Air Force. The correct answer is A. Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. What role has print media been referred to perform? A. Promoting commercial interests. B. Serving as a people's university. C. Educating the elite. D. Providing entertainment only. The correct answer is B. Serving as a people's university. How did you score?